Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys.
We prepared this video for Ustaz Muhammad Hamdan Syafiq bin Ahmad,
And today we will be presenting to you guys about the Wahid investment.
Hi, my name is Noaimah Sarah binti Muhammad Rusdi. I would like to introduce about Wahid Invest. Wahid Invest is a digital investment platform and optional portfolio manager that provide ethical and Sharia compliant investment option for investors from all income levels. Through its robo-advisory system, Wahid make investing more accessible, cost-effective and personalized. The rapid global growth of robo-advisory with asset under management exceeding $1 trillion show the strong for digital wealth management. The Wahid Invest case study demonstrate how innovation and technology have helped Wahid become one of the leading Islamic robo-advisory platform worldwide, highlighting the strong growth potential of Islamic digital investment.
My name is Aini Sofia. Today I would like to talk about company background in Wahid Invest. Wahid Invest is a global Islamic investment platform that helps Muslims to invest in a Sharia compliant way. They work with certified Sharia advisor and follow AAOIFI standards that to ensure investment avoid riba, gambling and unethical activities. Next, the portfolio include global stock, sukuk and gold, with option for conservative or aggressive investor. The focus is on ethical transparency and long-term financial stability. Last but not least, this allows Muslims to invest confidently while staying true to Islamic principles.
Everyone, my name is Nurul Ainajwa and now I will present the historical performance and returns of the Wahid investment, also known as HLL. HLL is a Sharia compliant investment that follows the FTSE USA Sharia Index. It allows Muslim investors to invest in the US market while following Islamic principles. For the yearly returns overview of Wahid investment, we can take a look at the data from the Wahid prospectus. HLL shows strong performance in certain years. For example, in 2020 and 2021, HLL recorded high returns because the market was strong. But in 2022, the fund had negative returns. This was due to global economic uncertainty, high inflation, and also tight monetary policy. HLL's performance recovered in the following years, which shows that the fund still has a good long-term potential even though it's affected by market changes. In general, HLL has higher risk than low-risk instruments but offers better potential returns and suitable for investors with higher risk tolerance and long-term goals. Next, comparison with conventional investment. I will compare HLL with conventional investment such as S&P 500 index. Overall, HLL's performance is competitive compared to conventional ETFs. However, the main difference is the asset composition. Conventional investments usually include sectors like conventional banking, alcohol, gambling, but HLL only invests in Sharia compliant companies. Next, follow strict Islamic rules, focuses on ethical and halal business activities. So studies shows that Islamic ETFs and conventional ETFs have similar performance over time, but during market downturns, both are affected because they face systematic market risk. This means HLL doesn't fully avoid losers, but still offers ethical investments without sacrifices long-term returns. Now, I will explain the factors that influence the performance of the Wahid investment or HLL based on this case study. The first factor is American economy and market share of the companies. HLL invests mainly in companies that operate in the United States market. This means the performance of HLL is closely related to the overall condition of the US economy and how well the companies in the market perform. When the US economy is doing well, companies usually generate higher revenue, expand their business operations, and increase their market share. So, as a result, the value of the fund may increase, and HLL can deliver better returns to investors. However, if the US economy faces problems such as economic slowdown, recession, weak consumer spending, the operating companies may be affected, which can reduce HLL's performance. Okay, the next factor is adherence to Sharia criteria. HLL follows a strict Sharia screening process, which means the fund only invests in companies that operate in halal in business activities and comply with Islamic principles. This screening process considers the type of business and the sector in which the company operates. By avoiding non-Sharia compliant sectors, HLL ensures that investment remain ethical. The fund also aligns with Islamic values. According to this case study, adhering to the Sharia criteria can also improve performance because the screening process encourages careful selection of companies and more disciplined investment decisions. Next, another factor that influences HLL's performance is fund management costs and expenses ratio. Fund management costs refer to the fees charged to manage and operate the ETFs. These costs directly affect the net return received by investors. If the expenses ratio is high, the investors' actual profit will be lower. Even if the fund performs well, high management costs can reduce the final return. Therefore, efficient fund management is important to ensure that costs are controlled and investors can enjoy better net returns. And the last one is HLL's performance is influenced by market volatility and global economic changes. Market volatility refers to frequent changes in market prices. Global economic factors mentioned in this case study include interest rate changes, inflation. For example, higher inflation increases business costs, and changes in interest rates can affect investors' behavior. These factors can cause HLL's performance to fluctuate from year to year. Even though HLL is a Sharia compliant, it is still exposed to market risk, just like other equity-based investment.
Invest in Wahid. First, user need to register an account through the Wahid app. The process starts by download the app, signing up and selecting the real estate product. Then, user enter their personal details, answer the basic regulatory question and agree the terms and condition. After that, identify verification or KYC is complete to meet legal requirement. While verification is in progress, user can explore the app and once approved, they can view available Sharia compliant investment deals and start investing easily through the platform. Next, minimum investment and fees. Wahid Invest use fintech integration to make Islamic investing more accessible. Investor can start with a low minimum investment as low as RM100 depending on the country. The platform offer fractional investment, digital onboarding and factor like zakat calculators. Any dividends earned are automatically reinvested. Although Sharia restriction may affect performance in certain market conditions, Wahid focus on ethical investment and long-term stability. After that, step to start investing. To start investing with Wahid Invest, users simply open an account through the app or website, complete identity verification and answer risk assessment. Based on the user risk profile, Wahid automatically recommend a suitable Sharia compliant portfolio. After funding the account, Wahid manage the investment including allocation and rebalancing, making the process easier and hassle-free for investor. Lastly, advantage of Wahid Invest. Wahid Invest offers several advantages including strong Sharia compliance, a low entry barrier and professional portfolio management. The platform is user-friendly and does not require advanced financial knowledge, making it suitable for Muslim investors seeking halal investment option. In addition, Wahid promote ethical investing and financial inclusion, making it attractive choice for socially conscious investor.